Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Amazon Seller Central to bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Amazon Seller Central account to your bank, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section found in the top menu. In the Reports drop-down, select Payments. You will be directed to the Payments dashboard where you can view your account balance and transaction history. Identify your available balance, which is the amount you can withdraw. Next, locate the Withdraw Funds button, usually found near your available balance. Click on Withdraw Funds to initiate the transfer process. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure the entered amount does not exceed your available balance. After entering the amount, confirm that the bank account information displayed is correct. If your bank details need updating, you can do so by navigating to the Settings section in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, select Account Info and then look for the Bank Account Information section. Here, you can enter your bank details or update existing information. Once your bank account information is confirmed, return to the Payments dashboard. Proceed by clicking on the Withdraw button again. After confirming your withdrawal request, you will see a confirmation message. Your withdrawal may take several days to process, so be patient while waiting for the funds to appear in your bank account. Once processed, you will receive an email notification confirming the transaction. Make sure to keep track of your transaction history for future reference. That's it, you have successfully withdrawn funds from your Amazon Seller Central to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.